Energy recovery, an automatic cleaning function of frying equipment. High-temperature oil fume pollutes the environment and destroy the ozone layer. Installation of fume removal equipment. Absorption refrigerating machine. Clean air low temperature emissions. Prevent ozone layer destruction. Energy utilization and pollution reduction of oil fume. Oil fume is processed by equipment, then emission clean air. As the cooling oil sludge will stick to the plate. Nighttime clean heat exchanger. Just need to start pump. Clean heat exchanger.